You have done your university, congrats to this. Or you have just moved from some other country to Germany and your employer told you to come to Germany and now you're starting your life here. Anyway, you have different circumstances why you are now here in this country, starting your new life, yeah? And now we will talk about three insurances or three things you should definitely get for yourself when you're starting a new life in Germany.
Do you want to build wealth in Germany and insure yourself correctly or properly? Then get in touch with India Initiative and my team will consult you in the best way possible. India Initiative Financial Consulting, premier advisory services for Indian experts.
But before we start, India Initiative is offering you every topic related to how to finance your house, how to get yourself the best insurances so you are protected yourself, how to combine all the wealth by investment plans, getting a real estate, and also the pension plans sorted yourself, and this in combination to get the best tax return out of it. These are our services. So if you're interested, just look in the link below and book a meeting for yourself. After university or you are shifting a country now, starting a life in Germany here, you're earning your first euros. Yeah, congrats to this. Coming to a very nice country here. Some things you definitely need to sort for yourself is one part that's called how to insure myself, yeah, and what kind of insurance I definitely need if I'm now working. And we will today talk about three insurances you should definitely check for yourself and get the best deal out of it. And number one insurance, something you will definitely, it is also compulsory, you should have for yourself is the state health insurance. I'm saying state health insurance because you can also shift to a private health insurance, which could make sense. But today's topic is about why it makes sense to look into the state health insurance. See, if you're a student, yeah, you're coming from India, or if you are like directly working, you will be suggested maybe by your employer or by the university to get XYZ insurance, and a customer gets that, yeah, and that's it. You don't check it again, and that's something it makes no sense and it's also forgotten, which can be somehow expensive, yeah, and also can not give you the best service. That's why it makes sense to look into it. Why? Because the state health insurances, there are different companies who are offering it, yeah. Almost of them are 99.4% the same. But what is new now, they're asking you a Zusatzbeitrag. So it is already there for some years there, but if you're now new in this country, you can somehow play between 0% and up to 2% of on top additional cost next to what the employer is asking. Where it differs, because one insurance is asking a little bit more, yeah, some is asking a little bit lesser, some are giving a little bit more service, some are giving you a little bit lesser service. And this is something you should definitely go and look into yourself, yeah, if that service you're getting now is also okay and makes sense for yourself. Some of them, for example, if you're a young person and you are like very much into sports, yeah, they're sponsoring your gym membership, yeah. Some of them are like giving you special healthcare things for cancer, or for if you're getting a baby to prepare yourself, and so on and so on. Some of them are even sponsoring you like these kind of watches, yeah, so you have like income there, or like some money there, so you can buy them, and are also like giving you some benefits if you're doing gym, yeah, or sports, any kind of sports. Some of them are giving you on top money if you are doing on top health insurances, yeah, privately. For example, for your teeth, yeah, for your eyes, yeah, or if you're going to alternative doctors, if you have that kind of insurances, they are sponsoring this, yeah. So definitely makes sense to look into it to see what makes the most sense with you. I recommend there to go to a consultant and see what kind of different companies he can recommend to you, and then you can get yourself done this. Especially also what is nice and important, at some time you have the right to change into a private health insurance. Therefore, you need to earn a certain amount of money. And some state health insurances are working with private health insurance companies where the transfer is easier, but more important, to change to a private health insurance, you need to secure your current health status, and some of these state insurances are doing so you can easily transform or shift to this kind of private insurance. Because if you're doing it too late, because it will take time to earn X amount of money to even have the option to shift, then you maybe have some illnesses and you cannot go yourself, cannot shift to the private health insurance. So make sure to go into that and check what kind of options you have. I recommend go to a consultant. He will look into it, and then he will also give you the best recommendation which you need for yourself. The second insurance you should definitely get, I already talked about that insurance multiple times on this channel, and I cannot stress enough to get yourself this, is a very good private Haftpflichtversicherung. Yeah, don't be there, don't save there 1-2 euros. It makes no sense. Get the best out of the best you can get there. Why? Because damages can happen very fast to different people. You're helping someone with moving, like friends helping moving the apartment. Yeah, you drop something there, make a scratch in the car, you technically should be covered in the Haftpflichtversicherung, and now you have a cheap one, it's not covered, and it's already 500,000-600,000 euros damage which you have to pay from your own pocket, and that does hurt. Yeah, so check into this. Yeah, also go to a consultant there, look at what kind of options you have, and don't just sign something there because it looks nice. Yeah, because in the end every customer has a different situation, and you need a different product than maybe your friend or your friend's friend, or and so on and so on. Yeah, so make sure it matches your situation, especially if you have kids, if you're living on rent. Yeah, and if you have like people who are living with you, there are like different things which needs to be considered to get the best deal for yourself. And number three is the income protection insurance. This is, I cannot stress out also, this is one of the most important insurance which you need if you are building a life in Germany and it's going on and you're having a family here, getting a house, and so on and so on. Because as long as you're dependent, again, as long as you're dependent on your salary, the income you are generating with your body, yeah, you need to protect that shell so your life standard doesn't break if something happens to you. And it doesn't need to be like something where you are like need to have like a big accident to get the money out of it. Can be also some small things. Yeah, I have a knee problem because of playing soccer. Yeah, and I was out of order for almost 8 months. Yeah, and if you are someone who's traveling because of his job and cannot travel because of this, he's automatically a person who will get money out of this kind of insurance. Or you have some mental stress, or you have cancer, or you have some back issues. Yeah, there are different things. It does not need to be like always terminated illness or something where it has to be a very, very major thing, like, I don't know, a car accident or so. Yeah, sometimes small things can happen, and if you have a loan and you are the only person who's earning income in your family, and you have kids and your wife, you need to somehow secure yourself. You are the Mercedes car who needs the best protection if something happens. Yeah, so the car will still run. Yeah, this is something we will make an in-depth video, what to look into this kind of insurance, how to do that, how to also get some tax benefits on it. Yeah, but just to give a general update, their overview here, get an income protection insurance for yourself as long as you are dependent from your income. Yeah, so anything which is coming down the life, yeah, is protected and the life standard is not breaking down. This insurance is mostly calculated on their age, yeah, on the job which you're doing, how much risk you are exposed to, and then how much illnesses you already have. Yeah, let's say you already have like cancer or like some back pain or something else, yeah, going on, then most probably the company will not insure you. So this is something you should get yourself as long as you are young and healthy, to get the most cheapest one there and the most best one. So companies are trying to get you as a customer with them secured. Yeah, you are in a better position as long as you're healthy and young. As if you are older and have some illnesses already, then it will be tough to get someone who is insuring you. If you like that kind of video, please press the like button again. Yeah, share it. Yeah, also subscribe to this channel. You will always get the latest updates, and please put a topic in the comments and I will make a video about this. Thank you very much.